Right, so today I'll be showing you how to connect an external SSD to your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. Now, I do have the 17 Pro Max here, but these instructions will work for all the Xiaomi 17 phones. Now, external SSDs have a Type-C connector, which makes it very simple to connect. All you have to do is plug it into the Type-C port of the phone, and it should be good to go. Now, as you can see, the Xiaomi operating system gives you this little pop-up notification telling you there's a USB device connected. Okay, this one right here. So you can tap on it and view. Although you can simply go to the file manager application, this one right here. And then in the file manager, if you go to browse, you should be able to see your USB device, which you can tap on and access the files and folders in there. All right. So that is basically how to connect. Okay, so you can access, you can now start copying files and folders. For instance, I can copy this video, long press on it, either select move, or I can tap on more and select copy. And then I can go to the internal storage of my phone and then choose where I want to save that particular item. So I can go into the camera app and tap on the check mark and copy it there. So that's basically how to connect and also transfer photos, videos, and other types of files from the external SSD to the phone or from the phone to the SSD. Thanks for watching and good luck.